In 1980, I started the development of Watsu by applying the stretches of the Zen Shiatsu I had studied in Japan while floating people in warm water. Zen Shiatsu incorporates stretches which release blockages along our meridians, the channels through which our ki or life force flows. In the Orient, stretching is an even older therapy than acupuncture, which focuses on points along those meridians. Stretching strengthens muscles and increases flexibility and range of motion. I found these effects can be amplified and made more profound by stretching someone while floating them in warm water. This is corroborated by physical therapists who, working with those with special needs, find Watsu affects a greater increase in the range of motion than traditional methods. By supporting, rocking, and moving the whole body while stretching a leg or arm, Watsu lessens the resistance there is when a limb is worked in isolation. When the whole body is in continual movement, each move flowing gracefully into the next, there is no way to anticipate what's coming next and build up resistance. Without pain, the body can move beyond those limitations fear would otherwise impose. New life is stretched into long, neglected connective tissue, and the restricted body is showing new possibilities of freedom. Warm water and the continuous support it provides is ideal for freeing the spine. It takes the weight off the vertebra and relaxes the muscles. Unrestricted by contraction, the circulation can carry away metabolites left over in the muscles, thereby reducing soreness and fatigue. The reduced requirements of oxygen found in states of weightlessness help calm the respiration. The relaxation of tension in the spine and the musculature, by removing excess pressure on the nerves, improves the tone and functioning of the whole body and the organs those nerves service. It allows the spine to be moved in ways impossible on land. This freeing of the spine is so important that it is the focus at the beginning of each Watsu. Even someone not flexible enough to be put into position for Watsu's more complex stretches receives great benefits from its simple rocking and gentle, gradual twists. And just as stretches and rotations of the arms and legs open up meridians flowing through them, this articulation of the spine helps open its energy pathways. Experiencing this greater flexibility and freedom reprograms a receiver to face life out of the water with greater equanimity and flexibility. Watsu affects us on all levels of our being, on the emotional, the psychological, and the spiritual, as well as on the physical. Many of its effects on the emotional are due to the trust Watsu engenders through its unconditional holding. A person's very life, their connection to the life-sustaining breath, is entrusted to the arms of the Watsuer. Watsu is the most nurturing of all body work. Many get in touch with the sadness of not having been held so before. Some get in touch with feelings locked in parts of their body that Watsu brings back into awareness. Each person is different. What each person gets out of Watsu is different. Some speak of an increasing awareness of where tensions are stored in their bodies and how to better deal with them. Others overcome a lifelong fear of water. Some float all the way back into the womb. Some re-experience their birth. Many delight at being able to feel the energy coursing throughout their body. And some experience a rising of energy, a moving up into a world of light. Each Watsu is different. Since its inception, Watsu has benefited those with a wide range of conditions. Its exceptional power to reduce stress has helped those with conditions such as chronic pain, fibromyalgia, and depression. Some of the populations it benefits are children, pregnant women, those with special needs, and the terminally ill. Today, Watsu is helping people in clinics and spas around the world. The transcripts of students from more than 60 countries who have attended our Watsu classes are stored on the Worldwide Aquatic Bodywork Registry. To see where classes in Watsu and related forms of aquatic bodywork are being held, visit our Watsu.com site. You can also find there results of studies and research into its benefits.